fucking okay. She think that she fucking with me. I can't fucking run on you and you're like, okay. Yeah, but that was never a bitch, okay.
Hey y'all, what's up? Let's go ahead and get this deep cleaning going. We gotta deep clean this apartment. You guys know I just moved into this apartment and I wouldn't feel comfortable if I didn't deep clean. Now granted, I'm not really domestic, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm gonna show you guys what I like to do for deep cleaning. I don't really deep clean often. I'm typically just a regular cleaner, but we gotta do what we gotta do, you know? And when I say a regular cleaner, I'm talking about just your basic household maintaining, okay? I'm not the cleanup girl around here. Don't ever get it twisted. This ain't the cleanup house. The lady we typically use for our Airbnb, she's been really busy lately, so you know. I just had to step in and do what I had to do until she came in to do the deep cleaning because I just couldn't move in without a good old cleaning. Now, I was going to take all of this stuff out of the dishwasher and clean it individually, but child, I can't do that. When the lady comes, she'll be able to do that. I just want to basically scrub down all of the countertops, wipe down all of the knobs in the house. Of course, I'm using bleach with everything, and I'm also using some soap with everything just to start off. Any gunk that don't come off, then I'll use extra stuff. Like you guys are about to see me do in just a second, you can see how dirty this is. Apartments are always talking about they clean the apartment before the move in, but you can never trust them. Apartments, homeowners, it doesn't matter. They always talking about they clean the unit or the home before you move in, but to me, it's never really clean, and you can look at this. These are things they tend to always overlook, in my opinion, and they just really focus on flooring, paint, you know, loose screws, etc. So I'm gonna pull out the steamer. I'm gonna put some bleach in the steamer and some water, and we're gonna work our best to get that gunk out, which I find to be so disgusting. I damn near threw up, y'all. But I had to clean it because it wouldn't, my brain would not allow me to continue sleeping up in there if that wasn't clean. I don't know. It was just gonna bother me. It wasn't gonna give fresh start. When I move into new places, I want to give fresh start. Okay, fresh start. And this is a nice fresh start for me and my husband because we have been holding down our apartment for about 4 or 5 years now. So this is a very new start for us. And I'm sorry, y'all might hear the storming. It's raining outside, literally as I'm doing the voiceover. But you guys basically see me get a dirty rag, and I wipe this area down with, well, where the window is, down with water, bleach, soap, wipe it down, and then I take the steamer. At first, I was using it on medium because this stuff was kind of pushing. It was blowing back at me, y'all. Okay, and I didn't even have on no gloves, but I just had to get it clean because it was just so disgusting to me. So a few processes of just steaming, wiping, got it clean. I got it as clean as I could. It's way cleaner than it was. You guys rewind and look at how it looked versus the complete product. But this gonna have to get clean because it was gross. And I also said something to the apartment complex about it, but they stated that, you know, their main priority is to just focus on, you know, renewing the unit, and they consider this to be outside of the unit, and I just don't understand how. I look at it like if you move in with something like this, then you starting off with mold. I don't know. That's just my opinion. It's so gross. So I'm basically just trying to do all of the basics. Like I said, wipe down the counters, clean the countertops, clean the sink, clean the tub. I swept the bathroom floor, mopped the bathroom floor. But the most challenging thing was the windowsill. It was so nasty, but I managed to get most of it done. We're gonna have to pay to get the rest of that taken care of. But I also did the baseboards and I wiped down in front of all of the doors because I just felt like we just need a clean surface all over the place. And then I also wiped down all of the cabinets, of course, using a different rag because that would be disgusting. You know, make sure you sage the home or do whatever spiritual things you need to do, pray over the home, etc. Do everything you have to do to make sure you're safe, protected, grounded, and you have a fresh start. If you guys are interested in the products that I use, just let me know. And I'll list majority of the products that I use in the description box down below. My favorite product, hands down, would have to be the steamer and the cedar mop. The steamer you can use in multiple ways. You guys saw that I steamed the window sill. You guys are also going to see me steam the floors. You guys are also going to see me steam and mop the, well, not mop, but steam the vent. And the vent was really clean. My husband, he unscrewed it and looked inside of it. It's just kind of stained, honestly. And I also asked for a new vent cover. The apartment said they felt like it was unnecessary. And I'm like, y'all was talking about this a luxury apartment. It's not giving luxury, ho, okay? It's giving very much ghetto because I'm asking you guys for things. Okay, let me stop. Enough on the apartment. Enough on the apartment, okay? Because it's a really nice community. I'm really making jokes. But here you guys see me steaming the vent area, which is actually clean. This is important to me because a lot of times it be so dusty. Okay, you guys. Hi, what it do? But I wanted to show y'all what I believe is some cleaning essentials if you want to pledge it, okay? And yeah, so because people keep coming in and out, but I wanted to show y'all some cleaning essentials. I believe that you should not move into an apartment or a home or anything without doing a deep cleaning. You need to clean the entire place before you move your stuff in. I don't know. That's just my thoughts. Y'all in the comment section, let me know what y'all think. But here are some of my essentials. Excuse my nails. But, of course, you need mop, broom. I just got a regular schmegler broom. I'm going to show you guys my mop. I got the cedar mop. These, I feel, are essential. These are mop slippers. I don't know. Call me OCD. You can get the regular ones that just slip over your shoe, but I don't know, it has to be cute, right? I don't like ugly stuff. So I got these. They have cute little cat faces on them. I got a multicolor pack. They got gray, nude. It has green and then also black. So I don't know, if you kind of like, if you don't like to see streaks or like footprints after you mop, I think these are perfect. You gotta have these, okay? Must have. These are essential. You have to have a good dish soap, of course, or a good cleaning solution. I use this for everything. Yes, girl. She wants to make an appearance. Then eucalyptus. When you are moving into an apartment, you clean your entire apartment. I don't know how it is, right? Because we're moving in and I'm starting completely over. Like, I left all my furniture at the other apartment because I don't want to tell all my secrets because, you know, people be low-key hating. They may try to, like, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes, or not sometimes, sometimes we Airbnb our apartments when we're not in town. A lot of y'all know me and my husband, we travel in and out of the state for his work, so we're always back and forth in Florida and in Georgia and then in other states, you know. Those are, it depends for other states. Like, sometimes we go to Virginia, sometimes we go like all the way out there Midwest, but for the most part is back and forth from Florida, Georgia. So we have an apartment in Florida and an apartment in Georgia. Girl, my cat is finna get, what are you doing? Is it like, what are you doing? She's trying to like, is it something down there that I can't see? Why are you trying to jump down there? Like, girl, get a life. I don't even know where I was. I'm probably gonna look back and realize like I'm completely off topic. But yeah, so sometimes you can't say too much because you know you're not really supposed to be subleasing stuff. But you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. Let me just show you guys some more move-in essentials. So what I think. So I think that you always need to get new bath rugs, bath mats. I don't move into new places and take the old broom with me. I don't know, that's weird. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Y'all let me know in the comment section. But toilet top must replace. Those are, you have to have those for. Let me show y'all some other must-haves. So the cedar mop, I have it ready to go. And also the steamer, must have. You have to have it for move-ins to get like cracks, and you just really need the steamer. It's good for sanitation. And shout out to all my subscribers over on my T page, but these are our mugs, our ByHo mugs, etc. I appreciate each and every last one of you guys for supporting my channel and understanding that I wanted to create content, and just holding off on getting your orders just for my content sake and just for my move-in sake. I really appreciate y'all, okay? But this is the top part to the steamer, just so y'all know. The steamer must have. This is a must have. You absolutely must have Raid, and whatever type of bug, whatever you have when you move, you just have to have it. You never know how the people before you lived in the space, so you just always want to have these in case it's some critters missing their old friends, because they ain't here no more, babe. You're gonna have to go, boo. So I went to TJ Maxx and I got this. I really don't need it, but I thought it was cute, and it was also on sale. Let me see, is it gonna focus? For $6, it was on sale. And then I just got some stuff for my cat so she can play. It is gonna be a new move. And then a plate, and then microfiber towels.